Guys, so today I'll be teaching you on how to clone a repository, and also how you can avoid whenever you want to push, how you can avoid it asking you for your username and your password. In case it's very frustrating when you want to push and it keep asking you for username and password. So but first of all, the first thing I need to do is, let me assume I'm creating a new repository. So you change your phone to desktop side, then go to new so that you can create a new repository. The reason why I'm creating a new repository actually is because you need a new repository. So let me just assume that the repository name is function. Then you click on create repository. So, and also for those that have not created their token, I will also show you in this video how you can create your token. So just like I'm teaching you three things in this video: how you can clone, how you can create your token, and how you can so if you want to create your token, you go to this you click on this, just wait for it to load. Then you click on settings, not help, not help. So for you to create your token, you go to developer settings. So when you click on developer settings, click on developer settings. So you'll be lead to how you can to create your repository. So now you are here. I actually change my phone to desktop site. So you click on personal access token. So once you click on personal access token, then you can generate your token. Then once you come here, you can see you can generate your token. But I already generated the token before, so I don't need to really generate another token. So this is the token I generated. So let me just explain to you how you can create the token. So once you click on the token, let me put my password. Alright, so I've clicked on that token. Let me assume that you are creating a new token. So you put your token name, the notes. So you can just write anything there. So in case you forgot your token ID as well, you forgot your token login or token whatsoever, or your password, that token is that password that Tamox is always asking for, your terminal is always asking for, not your GitHub password actually. Is the token, that token link. So for you to create your token, just click on repo. Make sure you pick repo. Then you pick admin repo as well. You can see admin repo hook. Then you click on delete repo. So you click on update token. So once you click on update token, you'll be given a token. So you can see my token has been created. Then there is a place where you put the what's it called? The days, like how many hours or how many whatsoever. So you can put it to 30 days. So you can regenerate token. So in case for those that have forgotten their token and whatsoever, so you can expand the days anyone you want. Then you just click on regenerate token so that you see your token link. So that token link is what you use on your terminal as your password. Do you get? So you can see this is that token now. This is the token that you can now copy and you can use in case it's asking for password. So I want to teach you on how you can stop it from asking you for username and password. But you will need your token. You need your token. So I've created my repository. Let me just put this somewhere. So since I'm not using my web terminal, I'm using Tamox. So you copy your SSH. So once you copy your SSH, you paste your SSH. Then you click enter. Then you come and paste your password as well. Just click on the password. It's going to copy it automatically. Then paste your password as well. So once you paste your password, then you can start working. So the first thing I want to do is to git clone. So you type git clone. Then you go and copy that HTTPS whatsoever on your GitHub account. So go and copy the HTTPS on your GitHub account. So let me go to my GitHub account. Okay. So you click on that repository that you just created. You can see I've created a lot of repositories. So the new repository I just created is ELX function, or is it not created? Okay, let me use this. Let me use this one. Okay, I've used this one actually before. I don't want to use it again. Let me use another one. Okay, so the repository actually went down. You can see I have to click on see more. So function. So you copy this SSH. At the time when you start working on this SSH will not show again. So you copy it. You have to change your phone to desktop before you can see it. So you copy this and you paste it on your terminal. So but don't press enter. Don't press enter. Then use this control button so that you can navigate this arrow. But there is an arrow button on your terminal or on your keyboard. Use the arrow button and go to, after that forward slash, those double forward slash, make sure that whatsoever is on that G, then click type enter, like at, use your at, like you want to put someone's email address at, then make sure your whatsoever indicator is on that at, then go and paste, go and copy this your token that works as your password from, I said you should put it somewhere. You can use also Microsoft Word or so. So once you've done this, you can now press enter. So but let me just come here, then press enter. So automatically it's going to clone, and it's not going to ask me for, you appear to have cloned an empty repository. So that's all. So let me create a file. Let me try to push and do some other things. So to create a file, you can use the touch command. So let me create a readme file .md. So but this is a very long distance. Just use your V to create a file and to also write inside the file. So md. But you can use your echo as well, for those that don't know how to use their echo. So you can write here. So if you want to write, I already have something in here. Okay, in case you want to write here, you just press I. Then if you've written finish and you want to exit, you just press escape key colon your column WQ, then you press enter. So in case you don't know how to use V, you can use your echo. So echo quote, let me say my first readme, my first my first readme, then you put your triangle or greater than, then the name of the file, readme.md, then you press enter. So to see what is inside that file that you just created, so you just say cat readme.md, readme.md. So you can see that this is what I have. So let me git add so that I can see if it's going to prompt me. Then git commit. If you notice very well, you would see that I didn't actually enter into my repository that I created. I just created it. I just cloned it rather. I didn't even enter into it. So cd, then the function ALX that you just created. But first of all, let me list first so that I can see. So let me check. You can see that I have the function here. So you copy the function whatsoever that you just, then you change your directory into the function that you just made, your repository on your GitHub account. So it has been cloned on your local machine. So in case you're asked to create another, make a directory, mkdir, to make a directory, you get. So you can make a directory. It's different from a file. So let me say I'm making a directory of hello. You get. So to create a file, I taught you how to do that. You can use your touch. You can use, but touch, I said touch is not really okay. I made mistake typing that. Let me clear all this. So you can use your V as well, but you can also use your echo in case you don't know how to use it, or you can also use your what? You can also use your Vim. You can also use your Nano. There are many of them. So anyone that you know that works for you, just go ahead with it. So let me just use V directly. Oh no, let me use echo. Let me use echo to write my first readme. Echo my first file also, then you write this. So the name of the file you want to push it inside, readme.md. So md. Okay, let me just assume that that's the name of the file I want to. Then let me git add space dot. So then git commit. Then git what? So this is where we are going. So you can see it's not asking me for any password, any username. So all those stress is going to be relieved. So when it's not asking you for password, so that's how you are going to do it. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon so that you get more update on my videos. So please subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon. And if you have any question, make sure you go to the comment section and ask me so that I can help you out. And if you have any other errors, just go to the comment section and so that I can make videos of some of the errors. And if you notice, I'm not making videos on some of the taxes. I'll be making videos on some of the taxes in the past, in the future rather. But for now, I deleted all my videos because let me say they got to me and I was asked to delete all my videos on some of the taxes. But I'll try as much as possible to find another way of doing it so that it won't get kind of obvious. So thank you so much. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. So see you guys.